I am Shankar Jadhav with the Institute of Cultural Affairs for last 30 years. But now I am a project manager with the JICA project, India side. The JICA project started in October 2008 with the need of poverty reduction through projects like environmental balance, the sustainable agriculture, the support business to agriculture was a dairy project, milk production, the alternate technology which was a biogas depending on the dairy cow dung using a bio product, and that is how we selected a biogas system, which also relates the changing lifestyle of the village and the need of a woman for cooking. And then to make these projects sustainable, we had to use our participatory approach and lots of training program, which this role is played by ICA Japan. They come here and do a leadership training program, and we also conduct lots of training programs related to the projects like irrigation, the biogas, the dairy, the agroforestry, etc. A nursery project is going on in our EEC Environment Education Center near Pune in Talegaon Dabhade, which raises the variety of needed plants in the project, and we supply those free of cost then and plant together with the villagers. This is the environmental activity. This project was very important for ICA India and the project in Khamboli village, Mulshi Taluka, because ICA has been working in this project for last 12 years. The project was established, the cooperatives and the village activities were going on. However, the acceleration of the project was not really at the expectation. And when the JICA project, we selected these focuses because these were the key activities: the environment, sustainable agriculture, the dairy, the all other basic things were done by ICA with other supports locally and internationally. But now JICA's role over here is a very key in accelerating these activities. I would say that the project was stable, but JICA made it run. And as the development trend is going so fast, because the industry is coming around this location, villages has to be very fast over here, and JICA is encouraging them. JICA is preparing these people to go with this trend, actually fast development, and very touchy development aspects over here. People are moving from village to work in the industries, particularly youngsters. But with the sustainable agriculture, the youngsters are coming back, thinking of, and some of them are coming back to work in their own farms because they know the sustainable agriculture is going to be the key future. Environment over here is being damaged, and because of the industry, it would really balance. This project would balance the environment. Biogas is changing the lifestyle of the village people, and particularly helping women in cooking and many other aspects. And training programs, of course, are giving them a maturity towards the sustainability of these all activities. In the future, we have in fact 100% achieved the activity process. We have completed all the activities. However, the impact is done. However, the sustainability, the maturity will take some time, and we expect at least 3 more years. End of the JICA project in 2011 October, we should say that 60% of all of our purpose would be achieved. However, the further we need to take further, and it is ICA's responsibility to take further and make this project sustainable. There are going to be big challenges. We know right now we don't see challenges. There were few minor challenges like participation of local people was decreased in some regions, like the seasonal programs, marriages, etc. But we learned from the community about that, and we got into it, and now again the motivation is up of the village. But the challenge of the ICA is to keep in touch with them, keep training them, keep explaining about the activities, keep their motivation on, and continue doing it for few more years.